Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
So today we are in the gated, beautiful luxury community on the water of Dolphin Bay. I can't wait to let you see this one. Let's check it out. So welcome into this stunning Dolphin Bay home. This community is gated also and is a luxury community right on the water. And here you've got these solid wood cabinets and these beautiful granite countertops. And of course, as we all want, it opens right up. You've got your dining here and your living room situated just nicely, whatever will work with your family. What I like in here is that it's wide open and expansive. The floors are contiguous throughout and they've been updated. Let's go check out the bedroom. Welcome into the main ensuite of this 3-bed, 2-bath home. I love not only that the floors are contiguous, but these elevated ceilings throughout the home makes it feel so much more grand. You've got these beautiful windows flooding in with that beautiful Florida sunshine. And as you can tell, you've got plenty of space. And of course, you've got your beautiful ensuite. In here, you've got your dual sinks, a water closet, which is kind of a favorite of mine, so you're just not out there and exposed, a shower and a tub. You've got everything that you need here in this 3-bed, 2-bath home in this beautiful gated community. And as we love with these Florida homes, being able to extend your lifestyle to the outdoors. And it's beautifully done here. You've got a nice, large, screened-in patio, keeping those bugs out and just allowing the airflow into the home without the bugs, or for you to enjoy the life out here. And as you can hear, there's a beautiful fountain on this property. It just kind of adds a little elegance and ambiance to it. There's plenty of green space for your fur babies. This one is a perfect touch. So for more information, look in the description below. I have the listing link there for you so you can check out all the finer details that we don't cover in the video. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com, so you don't miss out on any other beauties like these.